Hello, it's Dr. Rhonda Johnson. Today is Sunday, March 19th, 2023. And today I'm talking about brain health awareness, part 3. Now, the topic of brain health is so complex and so vast. And this is part 3 of my series on increasing the awareness of our human brains. So today I'm providing a very simplistic overview of brain connectivity. Now, each brain cell connects with thousands of other brain cells called neurons. These connections are near and far, and that's what's involved in producing a blink, a thought, a movement, even our smiles. With more than 86 billion neurons and trillions of connections, our human brain are powerful and amazing organs. Now, these connections that I'm talking about are called neural circuits or neural systems. Now, these neural circuits are the cornerstone for what we learn and do as humans. Now, our brain cells communicate chemically and through rapid electrical signals or electrical impulses. If these electrical signals don't work properly, abnormal conditions can occur. For example, in simplistic terms, epilepsy is a medical condition in which the electrical activity of the brain is abnormal and causes seizures. Now, our neural circuits organize our speech, our emotions, our complex reasoning, our behavior, and our perception of the world around us. They also organize functions such as swallowing our food and tying our shoes. Now, depending on where these neural circuits are in the brain, there's different lobes of the brain, and the neural circuits are different. And they can be changed and remodeled throughout our lifetimes. Our brain is always adapting and changing. Now, almost every experience we have, be it positive or negative, can make real physical or structural changes in these neural circuits. So health conditions that alter the normal activity of the brain can include diabetes, where the glucose levels are abnormal, or when you have abnormal levels of electrolytes in your blood, such as low sodium or high sodium. That can alter the normal electrical activity of your brain. Infection and trauma can damage the brain, causing a loss of electrical function. Chronic stress can change the electrochemical connections in our brain. And then there's things like alcohol, medications, street drugs such as cocaine, heroin, fentanyl, amphetamines, and even marijuana can change the normal electrical activity of the brain. Now, when brain connectivity is disrupted, pathological brain conditions occur. There are far too many to list, but these can include mental health conditions, degenerative brain disorders, psychiatric conditions, as well as physical health conditions. Now, I've said this repeatedly in this series, but we only have one brain, and we want to keep it as healthy for as long as we can. And it's never too early or it's never too late to focus on your brain health. Now, some small steps everyone can take is eating healthy with more vegetables and fruits for those vitamins and antioxidants, eating healthy fats, move every day, minimize chronic stress, keep your brain stimulated by learning new things, get good rest and good sleep, and be aware of your mental health and get help if needed. And be mindful of your physical health. You especially want to avoid chronic high blood pressure and chronic low oxygen states that come with smoking. And don't forget about the social. It takes a village to achieve good brain health. You know, we need to avoid social isolation and avoid loneliness, because human beings were meant to be interconnected to one another. That's my message today. I hope it's been interesting, and I hope it may stimulate you to learn more about keeping your brain healthy. Take care, folks.